Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to scan files on your phone using the AVG Antivirus. So open up the app as you can see here, then click on Explore, second tab right here, and here you have some device protection. So here you will be able to scan your device and your file. So click on the Scan Center and it's going to take you over to where you can do a deep scan, file scan, and network inspection. So click on, for example, file scan. Then go ahead, it's going to require permission, so you click on OK, turn on the file permissions on your phone right there, and go back into the application. Here you can now see the files and you can just choose what you want to scan. So let's say I wanted to scan my documents. I can click on that and then click on scan, and it's going to now scan my documents. And as you can see, it says the scan is in progress, and once it is finished, it's going to give me the result. As I mentioned before, this is a free version I'm currently using, so pardon me for those alerts as you're going to see pop up in the application, but you will see ads show up in the application when you're using it if you're currently on the free plan, guys. So all you have to do is upgrade and you will not have that advertisement, but it works perfectly fine without that. And as you can see right there, it scanned my document on my phone and there is no issue found. So that's it. You can easily use it to scan your files on your phone, and that's pretty much it, guys.